Hello then. Of course, July 2022 will be remembered. For the first time, the UK saw temperatures widely in excess of 40 degrees. However, it's also been a very dry month, and in southern England, it's been the driest July on record. Those records date back to 1836 by the Met Office. Now, anywhere in the brown has seen below average rainfall, but the darker browns are way below the average rainfall totals for this time of year. And one or two stations along the south coast have not seen any measurable rain. Now, if you can see over the next few days, we're not going to see any rainfall either across the far south and east. The heaviest of the rain will be out to the north and west, and that's because you're closest to an area of low pressure that's moving in at the moment. The isobars squeezing together, it's going to turn pretty windy, and it will be quite wet as well. So that means it could be a pretty damp start for the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, but quickly brightening up by lunchtime. So an improving story. And that is going to be the story generally across the country. Some heavy bursts of rain across northwest England and Wales, drifting their way steadily eastwards. The rain never getting as far south really as the South Midlands, and then behind it brightening up with one or two showers. A strong southwesterly wind as we go through the day, so blustery but from a very warm source. So it's going to feel once again quite humid across the country. 24 degrees in eastern Scotland, highs of 30 Celsius perhaps in southeast England. That's the mid-80s Fahrenheit. Now, as we go through the evening and overnight, there's another frontal system that will sink its way south. Just really a band of cloud and a few scattered showers, can you see, stretching from Hull down to the Bristol Channel. Again, it stays very warm, so a humid start to Wednesday morning. That frontal system, a weak affair, a band of cloud, a few isolated showers, continues to sink south. But behind it's introducing fresher air as the winds here come round to a northwesterly. So more showers being driven in by that northwesterly wind, and temperatures down a few degrees. Not so in the far southeast, as that fresher air hasn't quite yet arrived, but it will do so. The northwesterly wind direction continues to dominate for a few days. High pressure then builds in from the west, quietens things down. So over the next few days, it's dry and settled and sunny, but just that little bit fresher.